Oh my God.
Get it together! Dad, please put it together. Dad,
Rick,
what are you doing?
let's not get carried away.
Dad!
Rick, please. I'm asking you. I have way too much respect for you. Please, let's not go down this road. You're a legend. You're a legend here. Right here. You have bled more, had more sweat, more tears than anything in this arena.
I swear to God, if he punches Shane, he's gonna be kicked out of WWE.
Shane, you might have too much respect for Rick, but I don't.
Oh! Oh my God! Yeah! That's right. Good job, Steph. Stephanie! They're cheering Steph. They're cheering for Steph. Stephanie! Did you guys hear that? They're actually cheering for Stephanie. Yay! Stephanie!
Dad is not there to help. He won't be there on Sunday either. Dad's getting escorted out of the arena, and the champion is tapping to the sharp.
Woo! Check that.
For Charlotte.
Alright, you know what? I think I'll finish it. I'm hyped up right now, so I mean, like, wow, that was a crazy contract signing. I can't believe they actually cheered Stephanie. Stephanie!
Versus the figure 8 in a submission match. And if Charlotte taps Sunday, we're crowning a new champ.